Want to change the name that appears in Google Meet. Whether you've recently updated your name or just want to display a different name during meetings, it's easy to do through your Google account. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your name in Google Meet in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to the Google account you use with Google Meet. If you're already signed in, you're ready to continue. Your Google Meet display name comes directly from your Google account profile. Next, open your Google account settings and go to the Personal Info section. Here you'll find your profile details, including your current name. Yeah, this is where you'll make the change. Click on your name, then enter the new first name and last name you want to use. Review the spelling carefully before saving your changes. This updated name will also appear across many other Google services connected to your account. Click Save to update your Google account. It may take a few moments for the new name to appear everywhere. Take a moment to refresh Google Meet if you already have it open. Open Google Meet or join a meeting to confirm that your updated name is now displayed. If you don't see the change immediately, sign out and sign back in. Some updates may take a little time to sync across Google services. If you ever need to change your name again, simply repeat these same steps from your Google account settings. So your Google Meet name has now been successfully updated, and that's how to change your name in Google Meet. Updating your Google account ensures your correct name appears during meetings and across many other Google services. Keeping your profile information up to date helps others recognize you more easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.